Okay, so welcome everyone. Welcome, guys. Good morning and a very happy week. Okay, happy new week. Today is Monday and we are currently in a new week. So, well, I had the setup here and I missed it. I missed the setup. So, right now, I just want to sell down to the zone because I have a buy zone I shared to my community. Okay, I have a buy zone I shared to my community, so I'm gonna give everyone a view once of it. View once. Where is it? I have a buy zone. A view once of that buy zone. Let's see if you can take a screenshot very quick. So this was the buy zone I shared in my community. Okay, almost good. It's almost getting there. Then I also shared the sell to the buy zone, but then good did not come into my zone and it skipped it and left me. Okay, so right now I'm waiting for at least a reversal back to this zone so I can take that sell. Okay, that's what I'm waiting for right now. So welcome everyone. Welcome. See, this is my third time here. Okay, nice. Third day here. Welcome. Mm, 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 mm. See no sound. And our gold is falling very well. Okay, this is the only thing that can stop gold now from falling more. Yeah, so this is the only zone that can stop gold from falling more. If it's gonna break the zone right now, then we should expect something like this reversing and continue selling. But if it doesn't and reacts in this zone, getting back to here, it should sell and take out this liquidity here. Okay, so just that. So this bias is gonna be to sell gold for me before I'll now wait for the buy zone, a view one's buy zone. This that was shared in my community, my special channel. So full pots. Good morning. No, I don't do full potting. Okay, I don't do full margin. I always preach about risk management. Okay, so if you want to do full potting, you are on your own. How are we doing, guys? How was the week? And hope we enjoyed our weekend, okay? Hope you enjoyed your weekend. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. Live incentive program. So, followed you from your post. Okay, as you can see behind me, the charts are open. We are gonna be so patient today, guys. Very patient. Okay, today is just gonna be a patient day. Today is Monday, so market is gonna be slower than expected. Market is gonna be slower than expected, so you will just have to be patient with the market. You have to be so patient with the markets today, so there's no need to rush. Okay, no need to rush right now. So like I said, this is the zone that gold might just respect, okay, to buy back into this sell zone. Okay, this zone here, there is a support here that we have, so might just reverse. You can see it's already starting to buy back to the sell zone. So that's the zone that can reverse gold. Oh, okay. You see what I'm saying? That was exactly what I was seeing. There was a support here. So good, respecting that support. Now back to our mid sell zone. So let's see how it goes. Fish, thank you, bro. I see it now. Is he in a trade? What time frame is your strategy used for? Higher time frame tells the story of profits. I know, right? Of course, higher time frames are good for trading. Higher time frame are used for top-down analysis. So what makes you think I haven't used higher time frame to do my analysis before switching to lower time frame? Okay, so already done that. What's this? Let me see if I can see you guys here. So welcome everyone. Welcome. Let me see. I'll see your comments here. Said hi. Welcome. It's almost getting to our mid rigs sell. Okay. Almost getting there. What is DXY doing? DXY is selling. Okay. Let's see. Hi bro, tell me something simple strategy to stick. Hi bro, tell me something simple strategy to stick that one. The question is mixed. I don't understand the question. Post while it's still fresh. No, not yet, bro. Please, can you call out the mid-rigs range? It's clearly on the screen. Maybe you can't see it, but I know I clearly dropped a horizontal line there, dotted. But then I'll definitely call it out in my special community, okay? This is for you just to know the zone, but the entry points are always dropped in my community. So there's nothing to be worried about. Bias is bullish, okay? That's nice. What time will you approve, sir? Stick to that. Stick to what actually? I don't understand. Okay, you're asking for strategy you can stick with. You don't send signals, you just send setups. Most of us don't understand it. Of course. Why should I go through the stress of typing the numbers? No. Why should I go through the stress of typing the numbers when I can literally show the entries on the chart? Okay, this is the setup. You can see here, this is the entry points, 50-40. The stop loss is on ash color, 50-50. Take profit is down below here, 50-30. So if I can do this, why go through the stress of still typing them out again? I'll still go through that stress. So I'm not a signal provider, I'm a setup dropper, I'm a setup giver. Okay, I don't provide signals. Those are 30 pips and 20 pips people. I don't provide that. Okay, bias is bullish, then buy now. If the bias is bullish, you can take your buy. Nobody knows, nobody cares. What? Please, no one should call me, please. Have I? Okay, it's excellent now. Who's this? Okay. What do we have going? I don't know. Okay. So let's see. What was this? In the next 14 seconds, 40 seconds, I'm actually seeing a good scalping buy entry here, but I don't want to just force things. I don't usually force things to my zones. Okay, I'm actually seeing a good scalping buy entry right here, but I don't do that. I don't force entries. I don't force zones. So it's best I just wait for my zone, wait for gold to get to my zone. If I take the zone there and it fails in that zone, then yes, I'll learn from it. That's how we do it. There is nothing to force there. There's no need to force zones. I always say this. The only time I always lose trading gold is when I force it, when I don't wait for it to come to me. Okay, those are the days I lose trading gold. If I don't wait for gold to come to me, I try to force it, try to rush it and do that. That's when you see gold hitting me the most. But any day I wait for gold, I truly waited for it to come to my zone, I don't really lose. I barely. So hi, welcome to today's live. Okay, as always, as usual, as you're joining, click the like button and drop the share it to your friends, your relatives, your family, your wives, your husbands, your children, your enemies, everything. Share it to them, they will like it. Okay, because right here we are only here to make profits. No one is here to no one is here for losses. Okay, it's profit. The only issue I have is not having the strength to keep how will I say keep performance record for the channel. Okay, I think in my Telegram channel I've been seeing some question, bro, where is your performance for the last 3 months? Where is your I don't even have that strength to start saying Monday I got this, Tuesday I got this. Like, I don't have that strength. Results speak for itself. Okay, so if you want to see my performance, in fact, watch all my live videos. Just watch them and you see it for yourself. So I only keep my own journal to my own, to when I take trades, not setups I drop. Okay, so I know that yes, is the sell setup you send this morning still valid? Of course, I don't delete setup. The zone is there, my sell limit is there. I found another mid-week sell. I've set it. It's there, so it's always valid. The only thing that will make it invalid is when it hits stop loss. And if gold has not gotten to that zone, it's still valid. Even if it takes 10 months, it's still valid. Okay, so only thing that will make it invalid is if it gets there and hits stop loss. That's invalid. But if I put a zone and say wait for gold here, it is always valid. Okay, so that's how we do it. What? Good morning, mentor. Good morning, boss. You are my boss. Xness, XM, Vantage. What are this? Said hi. Are those brokers? Xness is a broker. Vantage is a broker. Which other one again? I think the next thing I'll do is to connect my PS5 and just be playing game just while away time. Just a while away time. Okay, and while we wait for the setup, another scammer looking for gullible simps. Okay. Mentor, don't let them bother you. Even mentors that have performance record will say past results don't guarantee future wins. Yeah, definitely. So I'm not bothered. Okay, if you're asking me for performance, I don't even have the strength or time to keep recalling setups I shared. Once I've shared it, it hits a target. That's past. We've head to the future. Okay, so forget about someone showing you his past performance. You might be making back-to-back profits. Take profits in the following week. Last week, the following week, you just start hitting stop loss. There are weeks that your strategy will not work. Those are the bad days that we are talking about. So definitely, past performance doesn't guarantee future wins. Okay, so Nigger. Okay, nigger is alright. I love all your comments, okay? I'm interested in all your comments. If you like, say the bad one, say the good one, anyone you want to say. I don't care. I'm not here to impress anybody, okay? I'm not here to drag with anybody. I'm just here to do my life, to give my setup. Anyone that wants to follow, he follows. Anyone that takes profit from them, he takes. So I'm just here to do my thing, and which is what I'm doing. I'm not here to fight anyone. So I simply don't know why. It's always the same. People will just come join your life to be jealous. Okay, most people that are commenting negative comments are those ones that are very very jealous and they don't have what to do. They don't have work to do. Those are the kind of people that are commenting hate speech and rest. Okay, because I don't know why you waste your time joining someone's life to come give shitty comments. It's not as if you joined the live and I made you lose or something. Okay, so probably you're joining for the first time, and the first thing you can say is something rubbish. Where are those people that were saying the bias is buy? I hope you entered a buy, right? I hope you entered a buy. Airlights boy, my guy, what's up? I really don't know who that is, or since he's my guy something, we are all guy, so I'm definitely not a gay. So we are all guys. So what's up? I'm good, bro. Welcome to the live. As you can see, we are waiting for our setup. We are waiting for a setup. This Bitcoin setup was shared to my community almost at take profit, right? That's taking out this liquidity, so probably it might just come and react here and continue buying. Okay, but then I shared this setup exactly at entry to my community. If anyone that is in my community is here, will definitely tell you that yes, this setup was shared in the community and he made profit from it. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. So probably that's taking this liquidity. The first thing it's gonna do is to react in this zone to continue buying. Okay, let me see. So you might wanna consider this zone for Bitcoin. It's almost getting there. So this zone now, you might consider it. Bitcoin tapping into that zone and continue buying. Since it has taken out liquidity, it will definitely come and respect a demand zone to continue buying. I'm gonna take a buy there at 60, 62, 62, 6, 72, 72, 660, and my stop loss is gonna be just below here, 72, 260. So this entry is gonna be a rushed entry, and you're gonna risk 40 pips to make how much? Let's see. So this is an in-between setup for Bitcoin. Again, you're risking 40 pips to make 260 pips for this Bitcoin entry. So that's the entry for Bitcoin right now. Set your buy limits there, and that's it. Oops. Okay. Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. Let's copy you. Okay, so casually, I've actually dropped a Bitcoin setup, risking 40 pips. Let me edit the points. Risking 40 pips to make 260 plus pips on Bitcoin right now. Setting break even, setting entries exactly there. Trying to edit the coordinates. Why are you not trying to work? Bitcoin, what is it? Okay, it will later come. It's just trying to play hard to get. Okay, good. This is what is holding good right now. If it's gonna break below this zone here, just expect gold to react back into the zone. So this is what I'm seeing on gold. If it's gonna break here, just expect it to come somewhere like this before going back again. This is what gold might do. Okay, it's gonna break. Expect it to take out this liquidity, coming back to react into this zone again to continue selling. That's for gold. Except it's gonna respect here. Come on, what behavior are you guys talking about? What's freaking behavior? TikTok gift suspension. So someone is trying to gift me and TikTok is saying I'm going out against the rule. Okay, so probably that's what TikTok does. TikTok always do that. Okay, so that's good. And where is Bitcoin? Trying to set up the entry, but it doesn't want to edit. So the entry is 60, 72, 60, 72, 660, stop loss 72, 260. Okay, take profits here. So that's Bitcoin. I'm just trying to set the entries, or I don't know what's wrong with Bitcoin. It doesn't want to show. Or is it my network? Could it be my network is bad? Let's see. This is excellent. So, what's wrong with you? Everything is going well. Let me set my buy limit for Bitcoin. Okay, so that's that for Bitcoin. Dropping it in my community, right on entry. So let's buy Bitcoin. What's the take profit? 75,300. Okay. 75,300. Good. Okay. What do we have here? It's Chief, how do I be a part of your community? Just send me a message on Telegram. I'm gonna reply you and I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna do it. Please, which strategy is that? It's Hurricane FX signature strategy. That's the strategy. Please, any update on the mentorship class? It has really skipped my mind. I'm not being I'm not like really fancying it, but I just I'm putting things in place. Don't worry. My upcoming target for Xauusd is 48.60. That's your target. I'm even seeing it to go 4 below that set. I'm even seeing it to 48.60. Okay, that's nice. There is still a barrier here, so taking this out because I'm expecting that if it's gonna break, that's what I said. If it's gonna break this zone, it's just gonna come back here and continue selling. But if it doesn't, it's just gonna continue like this from here now, coming back and then doing this. So these are the two things I'm expecting gold to do. So that's the more reason I don't even force entries. I always wait for gold to come to me. Okay, that's the more reason I don't force entries. Always wait for gold to come to me. Sir, I want to learn. Yes, you are in my life, so you definitely learn. Don't forget to like, share, comment, click the like button. Click that like button, okay? Click that like button for me. Your stop is my target. Okay, that's nice. Go to art. Go back to art. Everybody with his own sentiments, with what he's seen in gold. I'm not against anybody.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in this shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in their shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in their way.
Charging on hold. Oh, my phone is overheating. Yeah, definitely you should be overheating. Should definitely be overheating because I'm currently using the Wi-Fi, right? So we have two setups we are waiting for right now. Okay, we currently have two setups we are waiting for right now. This is gold, currently waiting either this or this, anyone that works. And where is Bitcoin? Bitcoin almost there. So that's that. Entries have been sent to my community, my special community actually, not really, not public channel. So don't forget to tap your screens. If you're on YouTube, click that like button, like this video. Okay, I see no reason why you're in this live and you're not liking. Can't be in this live and not liking this live. Okay, you should like it. You can see up to 80 views, up to 91 views, and at least if I should get likes for each views, it should be up to 100, because we have like 2,000 views already. BTC all-time high. I've sent messages on Telegram Chief DXY. Okay, BTC all-time high. Yeah, probably, but market is not predictive but reactive, so you can just do your analysis and market will react according to your analysis. Okay, not predictive. You can't just predict that this market is going to reach this point at this point. It's just based off analysis, and it just goes your way. That's it. Institutional, it's not available. Let me see. I haven't even really joined.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but knowing that I'm still in love with you.
Are you on a win streak? Yes, I am. I don't even know, bro. I think I am. I don't even know when last I can't even remember. It's just that I don't even. Yeah, I'm just after making profits. Okay, I can't even remember when last we hit stop loss. Okay, we are just on a crazy win streak right now. On a crazy win streak. Can't even remember when. I think I'll start keeping records and sending it to the community so that I'll know when, because I'm just after profits. I don't even know when last we are on a crazy run, on a crazy win streak for the past 1 month now. If I'm gonna check all my live stream, I don't think I've even hit stop loss on live, on a crazy streak on live actually. Hmm. My stop loss is crazy low. You can go check your other mentors that give stop loss of more than 300 pips. Okay, go check them and come back to me and tell me, because 100 pips is quite good, the highest or maximum stop loss you can use for gold right now, because the 100 pips you're seeing now, back in December, that 100 pips is actually equivalent to 10 pips right now with the way gold is moving. So 100 pips is a very good stop loss you can use maximum for gold right now. Back then my stop losses were 30 pips on live, maximum 30 pips. Highest I even give is 50 pips on live, and now it has switched to 100 pips because of how volatile gold is. So don't be delusional. Okay, I've seen people giving stop loss of 500 pips and expecting to take profit at 100 pips. So it's just there. I'm not that type of trader. Okay. Okay, sending this to the community. Telegram. Good outcome. Good idea. Bro, your live trading time My live trading time is mostly on UK session, okay? It's mostly on UK session. Anytime. 10 a.m., 9 a.m., 11, 12. I don't usually go live during US session. Okay, it's mostly on the UK session. Those are the time I come live, okay? So, and it's maximum it's minimum, let's put it on average of 1 hour a day for my live trading, okay? I go on average of 1 hour a day. So once it's 1 hour, I rest. And what I can only say is make sure you mark out the zones in case when I end the live you already have the zones marked out on your chart or your trading view or your MT5, so you don't miss the setup when it plays out. Okay, that's the only thing I can tell you. And as it stands, we have like 5 more minutes to go because I've been on this live for 56 minutes already. Okay, so we have like 5 more minutes to go. So just mark out the zones. These are the 2 things I'm expecting gold to do. I've already marked it out. It's gonna respect here. This is currently a demand zone that go respected to buy. Still came to respect to at least pull up to this zone. So if it's gonna break it out, it's gonna take this liquidity here, then retest back into that demand zone, which now becomes supply, and then sell. So you can use support or resistance, supply or demand, it's still the same thing. So, or if it's gonna respect here again as it did here, it's gonna buy back up to this mid risk sell zone, take a sell there, and expect your full take profit around here. So it's just the way it has come out. Then Bitcoin, I gave a Bitcoin setup expecting to buy here at 72,660, stop loss 40 pips, take profit 260 pips for Bitcoin. Okay, so those are the 2 setups we have right now. So anyone that plays out, we take it. Okay, I want to trade with you. You will always trade with me if you join my live trading. The only thing you can do, you don't even need to know the time I trade, just follow my accounts. Once I come live, put on your notification. Immediately I'm live, it will definitely notify you that this account has gone live. So you will not miss it if your notifications are on. Except your notifications are not on, that's when you're gonna miss it. Okay, so just like that. Okay, guys, I think our time for today. So my eyes are even aching because of too much lights and everything. Screen, laptop, lights, 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 lights everywhere. So that's the zones for today. We only have two zones today, two setups today. The one is good. Anyone's that plays out, take your sell, take your sell. Bitcoin, waiting for it. Comes here, take your buy, take your buy. Okay, so that's that for today, guys. My volume will bring this down, I hope. So that's that for today. Thank you for joining this live. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Okay, so don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Okay, see you guys on the next one. Okay.